In May 2019, the electric car maker Tesla was selling debt and additional shares of stock to raise $2.7 billion to replenish its coffers. A depressed share price forced the company to pay off a $920 million bond in cash rather than stock. The term cash crunch was swirling around Tesla, but not anymore. In the first month of 2020, the company reported its first annual profit in 10 years as a public company. Perhaps more significant for Tesla's skeptics, the company generated $1.1 billion of free cash flow last year. That means it is no longer in danger of running through its cash or depending on investors to pump more money into its operations. The stock has skyrocketed more than 250% over the last 8 months of 2019, making Tesla the second most valuable automaker in the world by market value, behind only Toyota. When CEO Elon Musk was asked by analysts if the company might take advantage of its higher share price to sell additional stock to fund future growth, he dismissed the idea. "We're actually spending money as quickly as we can spend it sensibly," Musk said. "There is no artificial holdback on expenditures. Anything that I see that looks like it's got good value for the money, the answer is yes, immediately. And then despite all that, we are still generating positive cash. So in light of that, it doesn't make sense to raise money." This is a radically different way of doing business for Tesla. For much of the last decade, the car maker has used the public markets like an ATM machine. It repeatedly sold additional shares and debt that could be converted into stock to raise cash, which funded ambitious research and development efforts, as well as expansion plans and basic operations. Even with that money flowing in, Tesla was often on the edge of insolvency. Musk admitted in a 2018 interview that Tesla was weeks away from running through its cash because it had been bleeding money like crazy as it ramped up production of its best-selling Model 3. The company managed to post profits in the third and fourth quarters of that year, but it was soon back in the red, reporting a net loss of $702 million in the first 3 months of 2019. Tesla doubters questioned whether it could be consistently profitable. Shares of the stock were down 44% through the first 5 months of 2019. Hitting profitability targets for the last half of 2019 would be a Kilimanjaro-like uphill climb, Wedbush Securities analyst David Ives said in a note last May. This week, Ives freely admitted he was wrong. "In 20 years covering tech, it's the most impressive comeback I've seen," he told CNN Business. "They've gone from doomsday to a joyride. It's been jaw-dropping, and it's reflected in the stock." Shares rose 10% to $642 in afternoon trading Thursday, a record. And Ives predicts more growth to come. He published a $1,000 12-month target price for Tesla, more than 4 times his $230 target price of last May. He said its cash position and the confidence that Tesla is no longer cash poor was behind Thursday's rally. "Any worries about a capital raise were put to bed last night," Ives said. "They proved us, and many others who were skeptical, wrong." Even those with a far more bearish view of Tesla's shares say that its current cash position could be a game changer. This quarter may be seen as the moment a new genre of tech investors were waiting for, wrote Morgan Stanley auto analyst Adam Jones. Tesla can now be viewed as a profitable and cash-generative tech company with a reasonably sized market cap in the same discussion as the megatech platform names. Even so, Jonas is among 15 analysts with sell recommendations on Tesla, according to Refinitiv. His target price for the stock is $360, 40% lower than its current valuation, and he has an underweight or sell rating on the company. 10 other analysts have holds on Tesla stock, while another 10 rate it a buy, according to Refinitiv. Evidence that even with its new cash hoard, Tesla still has plenty of skeptics left to convert. I hope you enjoyed another video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that YouTube lets you know anytime I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.